Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear Reels history on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Then from here, just tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now from here, tap on your name on top. Now once you come to your Facebook profile, just tap on the three dots that you see at the right hand corner of your screen. So from here, you have to select the option of Activity Log. Now, once you come to this page, from these categories given, swipe towards the left-hand side and tap on the option of Videos Watched. Now, once you come here, you will be able to see your Facebook Reels history and other Facebook videos that you have watched. Now, tap on this control-like icon. Then over here, you have to tap on the option of Clear All. Then after that, you will successfully be able to clear your Facebook Reels history. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.